This short video will show you how to insert a video into a web page. Okay, now what you could do with your video is make it into a hyperlink, as I showed you on the hyperlink video. However, it's more likely for people to watch it if you've actually got it embedded in the page. So I'm just going to show you how to do that, and it's relatively easy. So you're just going to click on the edit page button on the top right hand corner if you're not already in editing mode. Okay, I'm just going to use the same page as I've used before because it's easier. Okay, and you're going to get to the spot where you want your video, and all you need to do is copy the link, so just go share, and then this short link here, just copy that, okay, and you're going to go onto your original web page. Now, what you could do is obviously hyperlink it and just pop it in as it is, okay, but that's highly less effective than inserting it, okay. So over on the left hand side you've got your options, further options for editing, and you're just going to go on insert, and there's lots of other things we can insert, but we're going to drop down to the very last option, which is YouTube. Okay, and all it's asking for is us to paste the URL, okay, and as you can see from the preview there, that's exactly the one I want to use. There are different size videos that you can have, okay. For the most part we just want to go for 480 by 270, okay. We're going to remove include border, and we're going to remove include title. So it's going to be 480 by 270, which is the default. You're just going to have pasted a URL in, take off those two options and click the red button for save. Okay, and all you'll see at the moment in editing mode is a grey box. Okay, now potentially, if this is at a certain point in the page, you might like to middle align it. Okay, if it will let me. Looks like it's not going to let me at the moment. Oh, I know why. Okay, to align it differently on the page, you need to click on your cog at the bottom here. No. Oh, I can't remember. No, I remember. Okay, sorry. So you just go to the bottom and you click on align center, and then it will go middle. Okay. So sometimes the videos will look good like that. However, for the most part, we are left aligning everything just so that it's uniform across every page and we've got the same look on every page. Okay, so we're just going to click save on there. And as you can see, I've got my Phil Beadle how to teach video at the bottom of the page there. Most videos will need an introduction, so just state what the video contains, what people could expect from it. Don't just plonk your video in, because it's good to have a little bit of a lead in, particularly this one, which is sort of 10 minutes long. Try to say what the main benefits are, and if necessary maybe say the certain sort of minute bits that have the most kind of crucial bits of information that people might be interested in. So very quickly I'm going to take you through that again. So you just copy your YouTube link from here, and once you're in your page you edit it at the top, and you state where you're going to want your video, you go insert, YouTube, you paste your link in, you make sure you leave it on the default, untick the two options there, click save, and you've got it inserted. If you do want to change the alignment, then you can make it central by clicking on the two options at the bottom there. Okay, just press your blue save button at the top right hand corner to save all changes. If you do want to get rid of it in editing mode, just highlight it and press the backspace. And do the same again. Do that, yes, okay, and then click save with it deleted, so you can insert them and delete them. Okay, that's videos.